Hi everybody. Well, look it out here. It's winter wonderland. So what I like to do when it first snows, this is probably the second or third snowstorm now, is I like to walk around the farm and see what we see out in the snow. And I like to see what animal tracks and bird tracks are out there and where they're living. And this is a great way to find out. So we'll see what's out there. I'm gonna get wet feet, but who cares? Here goes. So come on with me, let's have some fun. Alright, here we go. And I have my camera on a hiking stick just in case it gets slippery. Alright. It's probably 6 inches deep. I should put my snowshoes on. Alright, so far I don't see anything unusual. But you know what? I'm thinking while I'm out here, I'm just going to clean the bird house out for them next year, because it's not good to leave the old bird nest in houses. Look at the white snow on the pine trees. You hear a crunching snow underneath my shoes. A lot of tracks through here, but that was from the last snowstorm. So far I don't see anything around. This one's hard to clean out. I might have to leave it. I'll come back to that one. Some vultures or crows up there flying over me. Nothing lively out here yet. Oh, I must have cleaned that one. All right. There's old tracks here, but they're covered up with snow, so I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it snows deeper than I saw it out here. I can get it off my shoes a little bit. Well, you believe that? I just threw snow in my face. Oh man. Let's see if I can get this packed snow off my shoes. I'm gonna get wet feet and get cold out here. Alright, here we go. Lots of old tracks. I don't see anything new here. But this snowstorm came through this morning. So I don't know. And I still got to get out and prune these blueberries. I did some of it, but I want to get that all cleared out for the spring. Look at this, isn't that neat? Snow on top of these pups here. It's cold out. It's cold and wet. There's another storm coming in. I better check the forecast. Now the farm dog is way further out there, but I'm not going to go through the deer fence today. Just making a loop out here. Lots of old tracks in the snow here from some animals or whatever. There's a lot of fox and coyotes out here, and bobcats, and whatever else. Lots of birds, but I don't know if you can see that in the camera. They're in the pine trees flying up there. Here's the wood area. Pines. Lots of tracks here, but they're not fresh. That's a rabbit track there, so there must be a rabbit in there somewhere. Oh, a lot of birds up in these pine trees. It's not too old, that track. That's rabbit tracks. There's a lot of animals that live in this brush pile. There's a lot of animal tracks coming out of here. So I figured there'd be animals in there. I thought there'd be more tracks out here. It's kind of disappointing. Nothing. Huh. That's my tracks. Nothing. I wonder why. There's a whole lot of tracks here. They're not fresh. They're old tracks in the last snowstorm. Nothing. Just old tracks from before the snowstorm. From the last snowstorm. Not even anything there. Disappointing. Huh. Nothing. Maybe they're hiding out and celebrating Christmas Day because today is Christmas Eve day. So, who knows? I guess that's it. Thought it'd be interesting to come out and do this. Nothing. So I guess that's it. I'll just head back in. I'll try it again another day. Well, thought I tried, everybody. There you got to see the little piece of the farm in the snow. So that's it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do me a favor. I'd love to have you stop by again here, and please like, share, and subscribe. Helps me grow this channel better, and really makes a difference. So thank you very much, and have a great day. All right, everybody. Stop by again. Bye.